Developed by Phase Change Solutions, Apollo Smart Packaging Solutions with BioPCM ensure thermostability. From room temperature down to -75 degrees Celsius. Our approach is safe, smart, and sustainable. And we recognize refrigerated transport and storage have never been more important. Strict regulations require that vaccines, including those designed to combat COVID-19, be packed and shipped under very specific temperature guidelines. With versatile and precise tunability, we ensure that this can be accomplished reliably. Manufactured with naturally occurring materials, BioPCM eliminates thermal inconsistencies, eliminates the need for dry ice, can be used repeatedly with no performance degradation, and is non-toxic and biodegradable. And because Apollo Smart Packaging utilizes smart nesting of BioPCM, it's easy to assemble, even for the largest capacity orders, and for any cold chain requirement you may have anywhere they're needed. Contact us at Phase Change Solutions today and ship your temperature-sensitive products with greater peace of mind.